Can you jump on the carpet? Oh, that's pretty good.
Jump on the couch.
No, no jumping on the couch. That's danger. Hey Finn, how do you get bigger? Can you show me getting bigger?
It is getting bigger.
Elliot is getting big. Finn, how do you get bigger? Can you do it? That's pretty good.
It's getting bigger.
You sure?
It's getting bigger.
Yeah.
Are you getting bigger, Finn?
Yeah.
Can you jump? Can you jump up and down?
Up and down.
Jump it. Woo!